guys. You want to make a slug puppet? Here we go. Hi, it's me, Paige Turner, and slug puppet. Hello, hello. We're gonna make these guys today. It's really fun and really easy. All it is a pipe cleaner and some eyeballs and pom-poms if you want. You don't even need the pom-poms, so I'll show you what we need. One pipe cleaner, some glue, and then these things are extra. You do need some googly eyes, but if you don't have googly eyes, that's okay. I'll show you why in a minute. We can make our own eyeballs. And we have some extra things that we can use, some pom-poms, a paper plate, and some black construction paper. Again, those are the extras. You don't have to have those, but I'll show you why in a minute. So let's make our googly eye hand puppet. I'm going to start with some pom-poms. I have extra large. These I use the extra large. I'm gonna use some that are a little bit smaller this time. And I'm just going to glue my eyeballs onto the pom-pom. Now again, you don't even need the pom-pom. You can just glue an eyeball right onto the pipe cleaner and that will be just fine. But I like the look of the pom-pom. So here we go. We're just gonna glue on our eyeballs. Gonna have two different color eyeballs, because why not? That's how I want my space slug. Okay, now I'm gonna set those aside to dry for a few minutes. And I have another set over here that I already made that are dry, so we'll use these guys. Okay, I'm just gonna take it and I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to twist it. That's it. Bit of a twist so it kind of becomes one thicker piece like that. And then I'm going to bend it into a U shape. Okay, that's it. Now I'm just going to take that and I'm going to glue it onto the eyeballs. Glue the eye stalk part onto the eyeballs. Now, you can actually use a little bit of tape here to really make sure that they stay on. You won't even see the tape on the pom-poms. So I'm gonna just add some tape. Then you put it on your finger, on your middle finger. Close your fingers like this so it stays. And you use your hand to create the puppet. Isn't that fun? I think they're so much fun, and it looks a little bit like our slug, our space slug from the Book from Outer Space show. I am a space slug. Now, you can make it with pom-poms like that, or you can also make one with eyelashes. So I'm gonna show you how to make some eyelashes, because I think our space slug has some eyelashes. So I'm just gonna use some black construction paper. And if you don't have construction paper, that's okay. You can make your eyelashes any color you want, or you can just color in some paper. I'm just gonna cut a little bit out. There we go, it doesn't even need to be that big. All right, we're just gonna cut some little fringes. It's gonna be my eyelashes. So I'm just going to glue that to the back of that eyeball. Fan them out a little bit. And now I have an eyeball with eyelashes. Now you're gonna let that dry, but again, I have a few that I made that are already dry. Woo! So I'm going to stick those on another pipe cleaner. Let's see, I think I'll use an orange one this time. Here we go. Fold it in half. Now, if you want to make it a little bit shorter, I'm gonna make this one look a tiny bit different. Make the eye stalks a little shorter. I'm just gonna snip the edge off. Right about there. Go like that. And there we have another one with some eyelashes. Here we go. Hello. But what if you don't have any googly eyes? Ooh. If you don't have any googly eyes, that's okay. I'm going to show you how to make your own eyeballs. They might not Google or search Google or move around, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna use a paper plate. You can use, if you have cardstock, even if you just have regular paper, that should work too, but I like it to be a little bit stiffer, so I'm gonna use a paper plate. And I'm going to take a quarter, because that's just about the size, but you can use anything you want. And I'm just going to trace 2 circles on this plate. Two circles, cut them out. Okay, I have my 2 circles. I'm going to draw some eyeballs. I think I'm going to give these guys a few eyelashes too. I like eyelashes. I'm going to glue these on the back. Getting instant eyeballs. Let's make one more puppet, because why not? Take that, twist, fold it into a U, tape it on. Instant puppet with no googly eyes needed. I don't know what you're saying. Now, I'm gonna use both of them and they can have a conversation. Hi, how you doing? I'm okay, how are you? Pretty good. You guys can write a script. You can give them character names. What are their personalities? What is this? I think this one's a little bit nervous. I think this one's a little bit bossy. What's wrong with you? Don't be so nervous. I don't know. Make up a story about your characters, write a script, put on a show, have fun, and remember, when you read, every day is an adventure. Wait a second, that's not our only motto. True. When you create and imagine and have fun, every day is also an adventure. Hi, who are you? Nice to see you. How's it going? Bye. Like and subscribe for more story-powered activities.